using the physician. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ruby, and for today's video we are doing this look right here. This is like a more summery going out type of vibe, but yeah, if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead already and primed my lid. I used the Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer. I really love this. It keeps your eyes matte, which for the summer is a must because we don't want to get too oily. For today's video, I'm going to be using the Reese palette. Also, how cute are my nails? I got these nails from Walmart. It was like $5 and they're really cute. And I'm just going to use the brush that came with the palette. So the first color I'm taking is OG, which is this one right here. So I'm kind of just placing this on the outer part of my eyelid and then bringing it in slowly. Next, we're going to go ahead and take a little bit of 1988, which is this dark brown right here. And I'm going to take this on the other side of that brush. I'm just keeping this on the outer part. Finally, we're taking BK, which is the black in the palette, and I'm just going to line my lids with this color. And I'm not taking this all the way in either, I'm just keeping it on the outer part. Now I'm going to be adding this color right here. It's called Gemini, and I'm going to be adding that to my lids. Okay, I like it. I'm just going to do my finger. Yeah, so much better. The glitter colors in this palette are a little tricky to work with, but they're really pretty. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of Georgina out on the outer corner just to kind of blend the glitter and the outer parts together. I'm going to go ahead and pop some lashes off camera and then I'll be back. Okay guys, now that my lashes are on, I went ahead and primed my face using the Benefit primer. Let me show you guys. I got a little mini sample and I still haven't ran out. So for the foundation, I wanted to keep it really light. So I decided to use this one from CoverGirl. For concealer, I'm taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. I absolutely love this. I have to get it in a little bit of a darker color because it's a little bit too bright for me. But I think it's like a really good coverage. It covers more than the regular one, for me at least. Okay guys, now I'm going to go ahead and set using my Airspun setting powder. I'm also going to be setting my forehead because like I said, it is getting hot where I live at, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the under eye. So first I took OG, and then I took 1998, and lastly I'm going to take BK. You know, I haven't done my makeup in a long time and my eyes start to get watery when I'm doing this part. Finally, I'm taking the Roller Lash from Benefit mascara, and I'm just going to be adding this to top and bottom lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and contour using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. And we're going to go ahead and blend that contour out with this Precision Formulas Red Bronzer. Finally, I'm going to be taking Wasted, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight as well as my brow bone highlight. For highlighter, I'm taking the Tantastic Lonnie highlighter. Okay guys, I'm just going to go ahead and pop on a lippy and then I'll be back. So we are done with the makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.